So we got a second unboxing today. I just opened up the Gerber Scout. Was a little disappointed with that. So we have the Civivi Baby Banter pocket knife made in China. So we'll have a lifetime warranty. Your new knife was made to love, made to use, and made to last. Little warning for the sharpened cutting edge. In your box, you're going to have the little pouch that comes. All the Chinese companies are doing these, whether it's Vastid, Kaiser, Wee knives. In your pouch, you're going to have a it's actually a pretty nice cloth, decent cleaning cloth. It's a decent one, good size. It's actually thick. Warranty information. Some stickers. Let's take a look at this. It's going to be the plain G10. I wear a large to extra large glove. This is so this is actually really smooth liner lock. Definitely opens great. I mean, this is minimal effort. It looks very sharp. I mean, you could definitely get a purchase on it. So, got pretty decent chimping on the back here, so you can get a good grip. Pardon the dirty hands, just got out of work. I believe this is, this is Nitro V steel. Alright, thought this was 154 cm. I would definitely recommend picking these up. A little pricey, I would say. This came in at right around $60. You know, if they could get this down to $50, I think they would do a lot better on numbers. But definitely a great knife for an office environment or somewhere where you wouldn't want a big blade. So sorry about the dog there. So you got the Baby Banter, the Gerber Scout, and the Benchmade Griptilian. Throw that flash on real quick. Show you the size there. All in all, pretty happy with it. They have a one that's white and red. I might pick that up. I thought it was a little too flashy for me, but I might get that, or that black one they have. They have one with carbon fiber. I may actually pick that one up. I'm definitely going to keep this. Nice little knife if you go to the gym, wear basketball shorts or anything where you don't want it weighing you down a lot. It's a light knife. The G10 feels really good. Great texture. Good pocket clip. Yeah, if you can catch these on a sale, definitely pick it up. I don't really have any side to side. There's really not much play there. And the liner lock is got a good purchase on that. That was just a quick look there. I don't know about recommending this to anybody though, the Gerber Scout. Not for me, way too smooth. And it was one of my favorites I had for a long time. She could use some oil though, that's for sure. Alright, well, hopefully that's helpful if you're looking for the baby Banter. Take care.